Hi guys, so new addition to my toolbox. These are torque wrenches, and at least these are the two torque wrenches I was missing. Here is one of them. This is made by Gedore, one of the best tool makers for me. I will never try to save money and not invest in Gedore because I think Gedore is the best tools for life. Here you can see. So these are 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive size torque wrenches, and now I will open them with you and show everything detail about them. I bought them from Germany, and I bought them for the price, which is simply superb. I bought new Gedore torque wrenches about half price what they cost in magazines and online stores. So this is the first one. This is brand new German made Gedore Red torque wrench. This is 1/4 inch drive, and this is from 5 to 25 Newton meters diapason. Let's see now what is inside the box with this beautiful torque wrench. Here we are, guys. This is the flyer of Gedore. Once again, tools for life, and I agree and trust this 100% made in Germany. What can be more attractive and beautiful when we are talking about the tools? Here is the owner's manual, and this manual is about all range. This covers all range of Gedore torque wrenches. But I don't think that anyone needs to read this. Everything is clear in this situation how to use these torque wrenches. Guys, I want to clarify that it came to me with the calibration certificate. It is very important. Here you can see all the factory specs of the torque wrench and the date when it was calibrated. It is 2080, about 2 years ago, and it is brand new, so I can use it without any doubt. And also I want to clarify that Gedore Red is the division of Gedore tools. It is cheaper than original Gedore, but I cannot say it about the torque wrenches. The torque wrenches are still made in Germany by Gedore company, and the Gedore Red and Gedore torque wrenches are almost the same. So this is a 1/4 inch torque wrench, which is the same as their torque flick torque wrench. Here you can see the markings, part number, and the letters that it's made in Germany. Here is the scale, main scale, and now I will show you how this torque wrench is adjusting. Also, I want to show you that the torque wrench has the option to reverse, so you can push this pin out and it goes from other side in its place. So this is a reversible torque wrench. This does not have a classical switch. So here is what about I'm talking, and now the operation is reversed. Very smooth operating tool. Now let's try and adjust it. For this you must unlock it from the bottom, and then you can rotate this handle and adjust the specification you want for your current job. Very easy and very good adjusting option of the torque wrench for me. I think you know when you are moving this handle, the scale moves automatically and the Newton meters are adjusted. This torque wrench does not have foot-pounds on it. This is German-made Euro spec wrench, and nobody cares about foot-pounds. All we need is Newton meters for German cars especially. So once again, I'm very happy with this 1/4 inch torque wrench. So let's try the shallow socket here. And everything is okay. So recommend to everyone who wants some quality tools for himself or herself. It is very good tool. Let's move on of its big brother. This is 3/8 drive. Here you can see the options of it. It has a diapason from 10 to 15 Newton meters. The package is almost the same, so everything what is packed in 1/4 inch one is packed in 3/8 one too. So I will not show you some detail, only I will show you that it also has got the calibration certificate, and this is newer certificate. This is dated 2019, and because the torque wrench is new, also I can use this with no doubt and be sure that the torquing options will be very good. Here it is, made in Germany, Gedore Red, part number and the diapason of working Newton meters. This torque wrench has the same options as the 1/4 inch one. It has a reversible head, so let's push this drive out and then I will put it also, and you will see that it is reversible as previous one. And here is the sound, how smooth it sounds. Also the adjusting mechanism is the same as on 1/4 inch one. You unlock it, then you move the handle and the Newton meters are increasing or decreasing as you want. Depends on your current work or job and the specification of it. Then you will lock it and the wrench is ready to use. So let's put some user-made Stanley sockets on it. Very secure fit, very tight fit, and has some sound. So guys, I think that the torque wrench is the tool which must be very accurate and must have quality. So if I can buy some Taiwan made sockets and other stuffs, I have to buy the torque wrench which are accurate, and in this case I trust only well-known brands. So Gedore is my go-to brand. Highly recommend to everyone who wants a torque wrench for herself or himself. This is no promotion, this is only my advice. So thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe and be sure stay safe and stay strong. Goodbye.